Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my go-to makeup routine, the one I keep coming back to whenever I want to look a little extra without spending hours getting ready. So let's get started. I always begin with a primer because it creates a smooth base for my makeup and helps it stay fresh for much longer. Since I have an oily T-zone, it controls oil in that area. It creates an invisible layer between your skin and foundation. It absorbs extra oil to keep your face matte all day. It also hydrates dry skin so that makeup doesn't look flaky. Next, I go in with my K-Beauty concealer. I don't apply it all over my face. I only use it on the areas where I have pigmentation, dark circles, or any spots that need a little extra coverage. This gives a much more natural finish. After applying concealer, I go in with my blender and I blend everything in my face. Also, in makeup, just remember two things: less is always more, and blending is everything. You need to blend everything very nicely so that the makeup looks natural. For setting everything more nicely, I am using my Mars 4-in-1 brush. To be honest, this is the most travel friendly brush and very affordable too. It is a 4-in-1 brush which is all you need for your makeup. If you have this, your travel days are sorted. After applying the K-Beauty concealer, I am going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer as it is a little lighter shade for my dark circles. I only use this concealer on my dark circles. It gives a little bit of highlighting effect. I am also applying the K-Beauty concealer on my eyebrow bones as it gives a smooth finish and base for my eyeshadows. This is another brush from Mars which is very good for setting your concealer. After that, it's time for my K-Beauty foundation. I take a pea-size amount on my hand and I apply it with my makeup sponge. I blend it evenly all over my face, and one thing I never skip is blending it all on my neck as well. It makes the makeup look seamless and avoids the face and neck mismatch. Now comes the time for this gorgeous palette. It is based on the Bridgerton series on Netflix. It is the Nykaa Bridgerton makeup palette. Honestly, it's too beautiful to use. It has almost every shade which you can use for your everyday makeup looks or your event or festive looks as well. I am picking this gorgeous Barbie shade for my eyelids. Since it's highly pigmented, I always start with just a tiny amount and gradually build up the color. It's much easier to add than to remove. And because I love the products that can multitask, I'm using the same Barbie shade as my blush too. It ties the whole makeup look together so beautifully. Once that done, I set everything using a compact powder. Here I'm using the K-Beauty compact powder. This helps lock my foundation and concealer in place and gives my skin a smooth long-lasting finish. I'm again using the Mars brush. For my lips, I first apply the Etude lip tint. I absolutely love doing this because even if my lipstick fades throughout the day, the tint stays behind and my lips never look dull. Also, it's such a pretty shade that even if you use it without the lipstick, it's very good for your everyday makeup looks. I apply it almost every day for my office, and this works as a cheek tint too. Since it's so highly pigmented, just apply a little bit on your lips and spread it all with your fingers. It gives a very natural Korean lips effect. Next, I'm using the PAC lip liner in the shade Plush. It is almost a pink and brownish kind of lip liner which can go with almost every lipstick. I softly line my lips and then blur the edges with my fingers instead of leaving a harsh outline. It gives such a soft, natural and fuller looking effect. On top of that, I am applying my absolute favorite, the Fay Beauty Lip Whip in the shade Lucky. This is honestly one of those shades that looks beautiful with a full face of makeup and equally gorgeous on bare skin. It's such a versatile everyday color. And since I was feeling a little extra, so I finished everything off with my Nykaa lip gloss. It adds the prettiest pink glossy finish and makes my lips look so juicy and fresh. And that's it. This is my go-to makeup routine whenever I want to put in a little extra effort while still keeping everything simple and wearable. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and let me know your favorite makeup product in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.